Fish on. Yep. What's up, all you cool bass and bluegill? We are out at our favorite spot. However, we're trying a new little area at that spot. So this is the lake that I don't fish a lot. On the other side is where we've caught fish in recent videos. And I just saw a bait fish pop right over here. So it's looking like a good sign. Let's see what happens. Hope you're all doing well today. We have a really beautiful overcast, like 90% cloud cover day. So perfect conditions. Let's try to catch some fish. So we're starting out throwing the wacky worm, weightless. Oh my God, I cast with no backlash, but there's still a backlash in it. Oh my God. Fish on. Yep. He's pulling some drag. Nice fish. This could be a PB. No, 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 no. It's a PB fish. I don't know how we're gonna land this guy. Oh, yes. Yes, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh no, the fish definitely swallowed it. That's not good. That's not good. Oh. Oh. Look at this bass, y'all. Oh, this is a freaking huge bass. Nice chunk. Oh, yes. Let's get her back in the water because she's bleeding. Oh. I'll put her in right here. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. I didn't know what to do with myself. I'm really glad that we landed it across this. Wacky worm is king. My rod's filthy now. Wow. Backlash for life, baby. All right, this rod's filthy, so I'm just gonna wash it off on my pants. So my scale, I don't know if you guys saw that or not. My scale only thinks that thing was 2 pounds. Like maybe like 2 1/4 maybe. I think I need to get a digital scale. So that's on the list. Also got a ton of mud on our boots getting that release in. But I'll take it. Oh, yes. Whew. Beautiful fish, man. Letting it sit there and pulling out that backlash was all a part of the plan. All right, so this, no offense, but to a Kano scale, 25-pound manual, it's a piece of crap. And it probably only works on huge fish like that. So we're not gonna use that anymore. I'm just gonna eye it out. That was a new personal best. That was definitely bigger than those fish the other day. That had to have been 2.5 pounds, almost 3. Man, dude, I didn't know what to do when I got him. Oh, whoo. Whoo. Look at that picture. That was the last one I took on accident. Let's go. See, I don't know if you can see that's 2 pounds right there. Nice fish, man. So it's always nice to have a pair of blue jeans that you don't care how dirty they get. Make sure there's no bugs on here. Let's do that again. See, I have not caught that many fish to where I'm content with that fish. I could go home right now, relax the rest of the afternoon, and I'd be cool, but there's potential for bigger. This is why I've come here every video since I caught those 2 nice ones, because I'm not tired of this place yet. Oh. Fish on? I think we got a little dink on. Yep. Is he putting up a little fight here? No, sir. Come here. All right. Let's go, baby. 2 fish on the day, barely hooked. Barely hooked. Not quite as big as our last guy, but he's definitely healthy. Little 1/2 pounder maybe. Pretty guy. Don't bite me, you bastard. We'll put him back in here gently. See you later, bud. Two fish. I haven't caught 3 fish on a day in a long time. Let's see if we can make that happen. Again, this is a mystery tackle box lure. It's the vertical lures, and it sits like this in the water. And I've had several bites out here on it, plus that little fish we just caught, so they seem to, some of them are interested in it. See if we can get another one. All you guys out there catching 20 and 30 fish in a day, Jesus, Lord in heaven. I can understand why you'd become desensitized to catching 1 or 2, but hey man, I'm having an awesome day. Hey, quick shameless plug. If you ever have been interested in learning how to create websites, I just released an HTML tutorial, which is the first building block of how to create websites, and you can see up in the card to your right that video. So go ahead and watch that if you've been interested in that. I'd appreciate it. Give it a like and subscribe. Learn how to become a web developer. Probably gonna toss the wacky for a little while, and if I don't get anything else, then we'll head on out. Fish on? No way. First cast with the wacky worm. Get out of that tree. Let's go. Second biggest fish of the day. All right, bud. You just tossed my damn Cinco. You piece of crap. And he took my little ring. Spit that out, bud. My damn ring is in his mouth and it won't come out. Let me get the freaking pliers. Don't swallow, dude. All right. Got the O-ring. Let's not bust our ass getting down here. Thanks, bud. 3 fish, man. If we catch 4 fish today, if we catch 1 more, that's the most fish I've caught in a session in some time. Little tip if you're using a Yamacinco and a little O-ring. I know they make tools for this, but I found that you can just put the edge of it there and then hold it, and then just run it all the way down. Wacky worm is king. Changed my mind. Oh, there's the other half of my Cinco. Yeah, I'm getting impatient. Kind of thirsty, ready to go relax. Caught that Mondo. If I want to come back later this week, I can. Talk about timing. As soon as I said that I was ready to go, as soon as I finished the sentence, the GoPro died. So we just popped in a new battery, but I am headed out. I have caught 3 fish, which is awesome for me. First off, the first one being a huge chunker. Personal best, which I think was right around 2.5 or so. Feels good, man. I will see you guys in a moment. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was definitely exciting for me. Try to cut out more of the boring parts. Try to get you more on the action. Although, to do that, I gotta have action. Thankfully, today we did. Caught personal best on the first fish. Pulling out a backlash. Totally intentional. You can't tell me otherwise. Caught 2 more fish. I think the second one was the smallest, third one being in the middle. They were nice. Probably like a pound, maybe a pound and a half. All in all, had a great day. Glad I came. Super overcast, perfect conditions. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one.